guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett. My earring would fall out. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that we got that out the way, y'all, we just gonna jump on into this video. Alright, so for this video, as you guys know, y'all, we are in a new year. Yay! About 2020. Lord, did I just say 2020?
No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Goodbye 2021. Hello 2022, y'all. You can tell it's a new year because I'm still trying to get used to saying this stuff. But y'all, the world been out of tech since 2020, so that's another story. For today's video, y'all, we're gonna do a new year tag. We're gonna do a new year tag. I have 10 questions that I'm going to answer about last year, how last year was, and I'm going to answer some questions about what I look forward to in 2022. So y'all, yes, we just gonna jump on into it with the first question. All right. So the first question is, if you could look back on one memory you could relive, what would it be? Y'all, oh my God. 2021 was amazing compared to 2020, y'all. So when I look back on 2021, I had so many awesome, great moments. I just can't say one. So I would have to say all the traveling that I did. My goal was to go on 6 trips, and I accomplished that, y'all. I traveled 6 places last year. Alright, so for my trips last year, I started the new year off by going to Puerto Rico. And y'all, I had the most amazing time. I went to Vegas. I traveled to New York. I went to Florida 2 times, and I went, where did I go? Where's my other trip? Where did I go? Jesus. Why I can't think of my other trip? I went 6 places. I can't think what the 6th trip was, but y'all, I had so much fun. Oh my God. So yes, so since I did those trips, and while I did those trips, I started a travel bracelet, my Pandora bracelet, so that was super excited. But yeah, I'm looking forward to 2022, going on more trips. I think I'm going to set the goal of 6 trips again this year, and yeah, I'm super. That was a moment that I would want to relive. I love traveling. Y'all always hear me say my dream job is to be a international foodie, and that's exactly what I did when I went on those trips. I ate. I love eating. All right, y'all. Question number 2. It says, your New Year's resolution you accomplished. Oh my God, I feel like I accomplished so much. So I just told you guys, I said that I wanted, because 2020 was that pandemic year when it started, I did not travel. I did not go home. I didn't go nowhere. I just stayed put. I didn't travel. I didn't do anything. So for 2021, one of my goals was to get out, travel, and I did that. So I traveled. So I accomplished that. I went on my 6 trips. I wanted to increase or to make better my YouTube channel. And y'all, look, I met so many goals, y'all. I got 1,000 subscribers, my watch hours. Oh my God. Y'all, YouTube has I met all them YouTube goals, and I'm excited about the new goals that I'm setting for this year. So I got my 1,000 subscribers. I got more watch hours, better content. And y'all, I made some new YouTube friends that I love so much, so much. So yeah, I accomplished those YouTube goals, baby. Teacher Fashion on Lockett, level up, baby. We leveled up. You hear me? And we gonna keep going. As far as my career, I just became a better teacher, a better educator, just better in my craft. As you guys know, as an educator, you're forever making goals, you're forever learning, you're forever leveling up. So yeah, I met so many of my goals, whether it was professional or personal, and I'm super happy about that. All right, number 3, it says 3 words to describe from last year. Oh my God, 3 words to describe last year. Joyous. I was like, just sincerely just happy. Like, oh my God, I got my happy bag. I'm back, y'all. I got my happy bag. So joyous. I would say fun because I traveled a lot. I just love traveling. So fun. And I would have to say loving, I guess, or fellowship, because I connected with my family. As you guys know, I teach in Louisiana, but I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah, we went on a family trip to Florida. Y'all, we had so much fun. We stayed in like this big old mansion. It was just amazing. I just love being with my family. So we connected a lot this 2021, because 2020 we really didn't connect back to it. So yeah, those are my 3 words to describe last year. All right, next question. Favorite song of 2021. What was my favorite song? Well, I'm a music head, so I'm pretty sure I loved a lot of stuff. I would have to say Ari Lennox, Pressure. Keep your eyes on me. Eyes on me, apply the pressure. Baby, I'm applying all the pressure in 2022. So that was my song. And what else song did I like or wear out? I don't know. I think that was my number 1 song. All right, guys. Next question. It says something you're looking forward to coming this year. What am I looking forward to coming this year? So much. So much. Oh my God. So I do have something that's at the top of my head, and I'm sorry, y'all, I don't want to share it because I don't want to jinx it, but it's something that I'm looking forward to, and something that I really, really want. And I believe and receive that I will get it. So I'll get back to you guys on that. Okay, but I do want to share something you're looking forward to coming this year. Traveling more, teaching fashion on Lockett, growing more, and me personally growing more within education. Yeah, I love education, y'all. Y'all know that's my passion and purpose in life. So that's what I'm looking forward to. All things that make me. All right, guys. Next question. It says, what did last year teach you? Oh, last year taught me a lot. Last year taught me to really just live out your purpose, live out your dreams, have fun, be happy, love on your loved ones. Now, that's what it really taught me. Love on your loved one. Love on those who you love. Your true friends, your family, because tomorrow is not promised. Yes, that's what 2021 taught me, y'all. So many losses, so many people I'm going to miss. But yeah, love, that's what it taught me. Love. Have fun, live life, live out your dream, live out your purpose. That's what it taught me. All right, y'all, next question. What was your most worn item of last year? So I remember when I did the tag last year answering this question, y'all. So last year I said my 2019 pajamas was my most worn item of 2020 and 2021. And guess what, y'all? The same thing this year. Oh my God, y'all. These green red pajamas that I got for Christmas in 2019, y'all. It's the most comfortable set of pajamas that I believe I have. I don't know, maybe I just love those pajamas, and I really love it. It's a cute little button down and some pants, but like the material is like really fuzzy and like comfy. So yeah, once again, that was my most probably worn. All right, y'all, next question. What is one regret you have from the past year? Y'all, no regrets at all. You shouldn't regret. I don't regret anything in life. Anything at all. Anything I've been through, anything I experienced, I can't regret it because it made me a better me. So no, I don't regret anything. No, baby. No, I learned a lot from different things. So I don't regret nothing. It made me a better person. So period. That's the answer to that question. All right, y'all. The next question. What is your New Year resolution for the new year? Y'all, I have so many goals and dreams. Like, so many. All right, so my New Year's resolutions. I don't always say these people down resolutions, but I don't care. I set my goals and dreams. I set them. I'm sorry. Don't let nobody make you feel some type of way because you're goal driven. Don't let nobody feel you something. Make those resolutions, okay? Set those goals and those dreams. Write the vision, make it plain. But my resolution for this year is, of course, to level up teacher fashion on Lockett on all our social media platforms. Especially our YouTube, y'all. It has flourished, it has grown, and I'm just excited for what God is just doing, y'all. What God is just doing. When I do this stuff, y'all, I'm doing it because I love to do it. I just want to share my gift, my purpose, my passion, my life with you guys. But yeah, I want to level up teacher fashion on Lockett, all our platforms. I always want to be a better educator. I always want to be a better educator, and I just want to make a bigger impact of what I'm doing in my classroom and just share it with the world. That's my goal. Now, I just want to make a bigger impact in the world, whether it be in the classroom, amongst my colleagues, whether it be on this platform, on YouTube, with my lovely, awesome subscribers, on Instagram and Facebook with our followers. I just want to make a positive impact in the world. And that's what I'm going to do. I want to bring more happy into the world, okay? That is my goal, to live out my purpose, live out my dream. And I do that anyway, but to really just live in it, accept it. This is what God gave me, you know? So share that with the world. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh my God, I feel empowered saying that. I really do. But that's my resolution, to be to do what God called me to do. Whether that's making somebody happy, me doing something professional, whatever the case. All right, y'all. We come down to the last question of this tag, and it is, what is your word for 2022? Y'all, my word for 2022 is intentional. Intentional. My word for 2020 was manifest. My word for 2021 was empower. And my word for 2022 is intentional. Yes, intentional. Everything that I do in 2022, I want it to be done in purpose. Ooh, did y'all hear that? I want it to be done in purpose, on purpose, for a purpose. All right, God, you better get that to me. He just gave that to me. But I'm so serious about that. Living intentionally. Because, y'all, tomorrow is not promised. I'm going to live out my goals. Yeah, I'm going to live out my purpose. I'm going to live, no matter what it takes, what I have to do, I'm living intentionally. Intentional. Everything going to be intentional. Okay? We ain't got time to waste no time. I'm out here to achieve my goals and my dreams. Intentional. Just everything gonna be intentional. From the crowd that I hang around, the friends that I hang around, just everything. Everything gonna have to be intentional, because I know that I am something special. I know that I'm anointed. I know God gave me purpose. I know that I have a purpose. And I'm not playing. I'm not playing at all. Just like I just told y'all, my song for 2021 was pressure, I'm applying the pressure. I don't have time for applying pressure all 2022. Living on purpose, being intentional about everything. Cause intentional about everything. My light, my purpose, everything. All I want centered around me is positivity. Like-minded people who got dreams, goals, visions. So yeah, I'm gonna be intentional about who I hang around, where I be at, what I do, everything gonna be for a purpose. So that's my word, y'all, because I can go on and on about that intentional. I'm so serious about that word. God gave it to me, and that's my word for 2022, and I truly believe that. All right, guys, that concludes this video. Yay! I hope that you guys enjoyed that New Year's tag. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. Set those goals, set those dreams, and I hope you guys have an awesome 2022. Do what it is that you love, because I just feel like God keep giving that in my spirit. Tomorrow is not promised. Do what it is that make you happy. Do what you love. This might be my mama talking to me right now. Do what you love, and the money will follow. I don't know who that's for, but my mama told me to tell y'all. She up in heaven. Do what you love, and the money will follow. Yeah. But y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Miss Lockett to see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Bye. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETC.